Why? Because this one, female and male, is not being indicated by number. Correct or not? Then you have to teach the computer to change it by number. How? You highlight this column, you go to Control H. You say to the computer, wahai computer, if you find female, you replace them with number 2. Then computer will straight away change it automatically in just a few seconds. Male as 1. You don't change male first, you change female first. Why? Otherwise, it's become Phi1. Correct or not? You change male, it's become Phi1 lah. Then you need to change Phi1 as number 2 lah. That's all. Same also goes to the strongly disagree or strongly agree. You make changes on the longer one first rather than the shorter one. Okay, so Malay, Chinese and Indian. That is the first way how to change from the word into the numeric. How we want to change this one in a split second? How we want to change? Right click and not right click. Select those particular column, go to Control H and then spell out here as Malay number 1, replace all, and then go to the Chinese, Chinese, Chinese as number 2, replace all, and also go to the Indian as number 3, replace all, and then go to the others, others, others as number 4, replace all. That is one idea. Okay, let's say education. You want to change it into numbers also, but you want to make it as a different way of doing it. You can just go to the filter. You filter it accordingly lah. You filter the first one, sekolah pondok. Sekolah pondok as number 1. You go at number 1 here. Right click on the edge of the lower bottom right. That one. Double click. It will change straight away number 1. And then you go to the sekolah menengah. University. University will be number 2. You go to number 2. Right click on the edge of the end. Ujung kanan bawah tu. Double click. Tap. Dia akan tukar terus. Then you pergi kepada sekolah menengah. Sekolah menengah nombor berapa? Number 3 pun sama juga. Tap. Siap. Select all balik semula. So everything is already here. Except for working experience. You have to change it also. Control H. Yes, 1. No apa no? No penyeruluk alam. Bukan. No. 2. Change already. So everything is already changed, and after this we are going to copy them and paste them. But before that, please proceed with another one column. Insert one more as the ID. Untuk ID ni, you have to right click, go to format cells, and then proceed with the number. Ni, pergi kat number ni. Tekan OK. And then you spell out this one as ID, number 1, number 2. Right click, double click. Everything will be setting up for you.